This is the all-new 4th-generation Toyota Sienna, a no-compromise van with striking design cues and innovative convenience features that are perfect for active weekend adventurers and busy families alike. Engineered, designed, and assembled in the United States, the new Sienna is poised to shake up its segment with a standard hybrid powertrain and available all-wheel drive across the entire lineup. With its focus on technology, distinctive styling, creature comforts, and impressive fuel economy, it's easy to see why the all-new Sienna offers the perfect mix of fun and versatility. Sienna stands out from its segment with distinctive body lines and SUV-inspired design cues. This exterior is offered in multiple styles, with a sporty honeycomb-style grille on XSE and a dark gray metallic design on Limited and Platinum. Meanwhile, the XSE and Platinum grades up the ante even further with available 20-inch alloy wheels. And even on the outside, Sienna doesn't forget about convenience with its available hands-free power liftgate and power sliding side doors, perfect for camping, moving, or shopping. Sienna's flexible seating and cargo layout allows for easy access to the back and quick adjustments to make the most of all that space, like the folding third-row seats that can be stowed away in one easy motion. The interior of the all-new Sienna is just as striking as its exterior. With its unique center console and sculpted features, the interior is refined and inviting. This vast cabin offers comfortable seating for 7 or 8 passengers, as well as available super long slide second-row captain's seats with an ottoman and sunshades that make this interior more closely resemble a private jet than a van. If that wasn't enough, the available heated Softex trimmed or leather-trimmed front and second-row seats and heated steering wheel will help keep the whole family warm on chilly days. And Sienna passengers will always ride in comfort with its available 4-zone climate control system. Just like with its decked-out interior, Sienna goes the extra mile when it comes to technology. This starts with a range of touchscreen audio multimedia systems that all feature standard compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which allows drivers to connect an iPhone and access Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps. In addition, Android Auto compatibility lets drivers connect an Android device with ease, while Amazon Alexa functionality is also offered on every model, as well as a 3-month all-access trial to SiriusXM. And in the case of the top premium audio units, an available 12-speaker JBL Premium audio system delivers 1,200 watts of crystal-clear power. Sienna can also be equipped with trials to Toyota's full line of connected services, which includes Safety Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, Remote Connect, and Service Connect, which provides maintenance reminders to both dealer and driver. Likewise, there's advanced technology in Sienna's convenience features, including a standard blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert system, as well as available features like a 7-inch multi-information display, color head-up display, digital rear-view mirror, smart key system on all doors, rain-sensing windshield wipers, and bird's-eye view camera with perimeter scan. Toyota has always considered safety a priority, so it's no surprise that Sienna shields its riders with cutting-edge safety technology. This begins with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, a suite of active safety features that comes standard on all grades and includes pre-collision system, lane departure alert, automatic high beams, dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. Likewise, the available front and rear parking assist sonar makes it easy to pull into a tight spot, while the new rear seat reminder feature reminds drivers to stay mindful of little passengers and pets. And of course, Sienna also features Toyota's signature Star safety system, as well as 10 airbags throughout the cabin. Sienna's versatility makes everyday life easier, and its hybrid electric powertrain also offers smooth and refined driving characteristics. And better yet, it has seriously impressive fuel economy numbers. It's also the first hybrid van with all-wheel drive capability. And for those looking to tow a trailer for a fun weekend excursion, Sienna achieves a 3,500-pound tow rating on all grades.